just to explain to the Taoiseach, who clearly can't grasp this very simple concept, there is no security of tenure if you can't afford the rent.
Here.
That's it. You see, when rents climb and climb and climb, and you just can't make it month after month after month, that's not secure. That's a recipe for chaos in your life. That is a recipe for driving people either to Dublin or Shannon or Cork Airport and Harsall far, far away to live their lives, or in the case of families, drive them into homelessness. And you have made a decision, and you've made it very, very clear whose side you're on. You're on the side of very large corporate landlords, not just any common or garden landlord, no, no. The large ones and the vulture funds. They want market rate, and you are giving it to them on a silver platter. I've told you, most tenancies don't last 6 years. They average at 3.5, and 25% of tenancies every single year are brand new. Answer that, Taoiseach.
Tell you, Deputy, you couldn't care less about whether we provide more houses for the young people of this country, because every policy, you're against everything, you are against every proposal, you're full of soundbite, you're full of shallow. It's not the truth. I'm telling you now where you are. You've opposed every single thing of this for the last 4 years in relation to housing here. Opposed all the affordable schemes we came up with that was trying to help young people. And the bottom line here, through the chair, Count Corley, is we need supply, and we do have to have a rental framework that facilitates investment, that facilitates greater supply of housing. And what you're ignoring is 500,000 people currently renting in Ireland today will not be impacted by these measures, because there's a lot of protections built in here. A national rent protection zone is there at 2%. ESRI recommended 4% actually. So these are modest measures designed to get clarity, stability, but above all to bring supply, because if you don't have supply, prices will rise without question. And you have never answered the question of supply.
Thank you.